I will, when I start the session, I will go in the flow, teaching you all the techniques one after the other. And at the end of the session, I'll take up all your questions. And those who are this group, this is a closed group, so nobody should have a watch party with the session what we are conducting here. So the motive of creating a closed group is that only those people should enter the group who are interested and who want to learn something. So good afternoon, Sunita Jain ji. Thank you for joining. सो क्लोज ग्रुप करने का मतलब यही था कि जो इंटरेस्टेड हो उन्हीं को ग्रुप में घुसाया जाए, और जिनको सीखना है, कला सीखना है और उसको आगे लेके जाना है और औरों को सिखाना है, तो वही इसी ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करें। और जिनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, जस्ट टाइम पास के लिए ज्वाइन करते हैं, ऐसे लोग हमें नहीं चाहिए। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि सब कोई मिल के सीखे और सिखाए। सीखने और सिखाने से आपकी कला बढ़ती है। आप जितना सीखोगे, जितना सिखाओगे, उतना आपका ज्ञान बढ़ेगा और उतना आप पॉलिश होगे। सो दिस इज बेसिकली अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू लर्न एंड शेयर। द मोर यू लर्न, द मोर यू शेयर, द मोर यू ग्रो। सो बेसिकली आप जितना लर्न करोगे, जितना शेयर करोगे, उतना ही ग्रो करोगे। ठीक है? तो नाउ दीज आर द jars which we have asked you to collect and wipe them and keep. So this is my mason jar for some pickle or something which I have been using from so many days. You can even use your glass jars what we get in for honey or jam. Those jars also can be used. You don't need to go and buy any jars. If you have glass jars where you are which we get from the market while buying honey or jam, you can use those jars. This is my brew coffee jar. Okay, and if suppose you don't have anything at home, always this Fevicryl small bottles are available. You are using those colors, you can wash those bottles. Yesterday I have washed these bottles and I kept to show you that people, those who don't have any glass jar at home, so they can do in this. Okay, now if you want to do in plastic, but the thing is that you can do even in plastic jars also, but the thing is that in plastic jars you cannot light a candle. You can use your 3D LED lights what we get in the market, or might be the tunic lights what we get in the market in plastic jars. So I have one plastic jar here. I'm going to show you how to work in this plastic jar. So this is one of my plastic what we say maple syrup plastic bottle. So I'm also trying to create something in this. And in this type of jars you can create your lanterns, but then you have to put some wire. You have to use these are long bottles, so in this we cannot light a lamp. It is difficult to light a lamp, so we can use like this tunic lights what we get in the house. To after decorating and making your bottles, you can put this tunic light and you can light you can light it. So basically we have to light any way you light your house, whether you use water candles. I'm also going to show you how to make your own water candles arrangement at home. You can use water candles, you can use tea light candles. These are the tea light candles what we get in the market. So let me show you. These are the tea light candles what we get in the market. So you can use battery operated tea light candles. तो आपका जार और नहीं तो आप अगर वाटर कैंडल्स कर रहे हो, वाटर कैंडल आई शो यू हाउ टू क्रिएट योर ओन वाटर कैंडल्स. वेरी इजी. You don't need to invest any money to create your water candles. And then we have this ready-made tea light candles what we get in the market. Let me check. Yeah, you can use this ready-made tea light candles or this type of candles also. These types of candles you can light only in glass jar, not in plastic jar. In plastic jars you can light LED lights, and you can light that tunic light what I showed you, the tunic the string lights. Okay, so basically so let's start. I hope still more few people are about to join. So I'll show you how I created this 1 minute. Yesterday I created this handle for this lantern. This is the Morocco lanterns, they have a handle. So this is a homemade handle which I have created, and I have put some danglers here to give it to more ethnic look. So the ready-made danglers what I get in the market, I just have put some danglers. Now I'll just let you know how I created this. To create this, you can use wire. Yeah, these types of wires are available in the hardware shop. You can measure the length of the handle and at least take 3 strings and then create a loop. Create a loop like this and twist the loop. Okay, so this loop, create the loop like this and twist the loop, and the other side also you have to create a loop. So उस साइड भी आपको एक लूप क्रिएट करना है. मैं छोटा सा दिखा रही हूँ आपको. आई एम शोइंग यू अ स्मॉलर वर्जन. You people can do a bigger version. I just wanted to show you like how I made the handle for my candles. Okay, so the 2 loop is here. Okay, I'm going to put this in my this candle, or might be in the coffee jar. I'll show you. So how big you want, it's up to you. So and then press it with the, this is simple wire. You can use even flower making wire if you have at home. This wire is easily available in the hardware shop. It is very flexible, and then twist in opposite direction so that you get that twisted effect in the wire and your wire becomes stiff and tight. So twist it this in this direction and this in opposite direction. So keep twisting in the opposite direction. I think some of you can post in the WhatsApp group that ma'am is live. Ma'am is live. Please come, so that it's already 1:12. So that if they are already ma'am is live, you please come to the Facebook secret group, because we have here 75 members. So and everybody I have personally sent the link, and for everybody I have accepted the thing. So please do me a favor, just mention in the WhatsApp group that Morocco London session has started. Please interested people, please come live, because the video will not be available again. See, I just made a smaller one. Got it? So this is the handle. Now if this handle I want to put in this thing, 1 minute. Okay. I'll just measure it and then I'll twist it. How I attach this handle to this, I will show you. How I attach this handle to this, I'll show you. So let me first measure and cut the wire, how much I need, and then we will be showing it to you. Okay, let's make little space in my table so that I can work and I can twist the thing towards down. I hope all of you are logging in. Still people are logging in. Okay, let's see what can be done. Shall we put in this? Yeah, I think this will look more cute in this. I'll put in this. I think it looks more cute here, no? Your video is not clear. Little zoom is required. Just wait, Dipti. I have not put the video towards the table. So just wait for some time. I'm just cutting the wire, measuring and cutting. I think this looks more cute than this. What do you say? Correct? I'll do in the smaller one, because the smaller one looks very cute. You can make a lot of small lanterns, and I'll teach you in this how to make your this will not go. I will teach you how to make water candles in this, because they look very cute. So you even get colored wire like this. So you can go for the colored wire also. In a flower making shop, they will be selling you colored wire for flower making. So you can use the colored wire if you want. And still, if you want to put some color, you can use your Fevicryl colors and make it, after twisting and making it, put some color, Fevicryl, Hobby Ideas, acrylic colors, and let them dry. Or after fixing, just gently put color and let it dry. So that way also you can do, if suppose you are not getting the colored wire. Okay. So yeah, I'll focus it to my table. Just have some patience. I'm just cleaning the table. Just wait. I'm just cleaning the table. I'm making some space for all of you. Just wait. Okay. Is it okay for all of you? Here it is. Is it perfect? Please let me know. Okay, is it perfect? Now can all of you see properly? It is visible properly? Okay, I'm going to add this to this. Okay. So एक और wire मैंने काटा था. I'll just cut one wire. Okay, see here it is. So what we have to do, take this like this and here. So twist first one side nicely, tightly, so that it don't move, and then take the handle like this. Okay, and the same we will do the other side also, exactly in the opposite direction. Okay, so this also will take out, this wire also will take out from this side. 1 minute. So you can put them all together and then place them and see that they are exactly in the both the handles should be exactly in the opposite direction. Okay, here it is. Rashmi Agarwal, thank you for joining. Okay, so abhi can you, all of you can see I have attached it the opposite, exactly it should be in the opposite direction. Twist the wire nicely so that it is tight, it doesn't move. Okay, and then you can either cut it out or you can twist it and you can look here. So the extra, after twisting we can do it this side. So your handles are ready. So beautiful little candle with the handles, it is ready. Hi Minakshi, thank you for joining. So we just created the handles for this bottle, this empty bottle. The bigger one I have already done and kept. So in front of you just now I created the, so your lantern is ready. Now is your coloring and decoration, whatever you want. Okay, so let's start. This cute little, I want to color with Fevicryl acrylic colors. One I'll do with acrylic colors and one I'll do with, this one I'll do with glass colors. Okay, we have to keep the base coat, and when the base coat dries up, then only we can do other things. And one more I'll teach you for Mod Forge. The Mod Forge is basically for curing purpose. The Mod Forge is basically for the curing purpose. When you finish coloring with the Mod Forge, I'll show you how is the method. You have to bake that. After baking in the OTG, I'll tell you the baking process and all. what will happen, your color what you put inside the glass, it become permanent. Even if you wash, it will not go away. So that only you can do for Mod4. So that's why we ask you to do with Mod4. So we are going to show you three different uh, uh, candles today. One is water candle, one is tea light candle, and one is normal candle. So what we have to do, we have to do with this one we'll do with Mod4. I'll show you how to that. I'll show you in the last. And this two, like this one and this one. These two we will do, one with glass colors and one with acrylic colors. Okay. So we have to put the base coat of the colors and keep them for drying. And then only we will be able to do other work. And those who have joined late, please be, thank you Deepa Reddy for joining, and thank you Dipti Ahar for joining. So those who have joined us late, please be tuned to the last. I am going to explain you the whole process once again. Okay. So we are going to make Moroccan lanterns, and lot of techniques I am going to share with you, all of you, how to make these Moroccan lanterns. So, and very easily available materials. So just be tuned. So don't 1 minute. Okay. Just wait, there are some member requests, so we'll just approve them so that they are also able to watch the program. I think they have given us the request just now, so we have approved them. So so that they can also watch the program. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so let's start with glass colors first. So I'm going to take dark blue color. I love dark blue here. Might be blue, Persian blue. Yeah, this is blue here. So okay. So pour the dark color, and then we have to lot of colors you can do. You can do with brush, because if you do with brush, it will be more nice. If you do with sponge, you will get like this effect. But then you, for sponge, I think you might have to do 2-3 coats. So what we can do with brush, so that it looks, or you can do directly with the bottle. Okay. So what basically you have to do, so if you do with brush, it will be more bright. But when you do with sponge, you will get the sponge effect. So I think that it will not look nice. So do with either brush or sponge, but see that the color, the brush strokes are not visible, and also the stroke of the sponge is less visible. Okay. So what basically we can do, or you can pour. What you can do, you can pour on the bottle and let it drip down, so that what will happen, it will look nice. So we can pour here and let it drip down. So what will happen, you will not, the brush strokes will not be visible that much, and that all these things will not be visible that much. So, and whatever extra is falling down, that you can let it be here fallen down. Try to put dark colors, don't put light colors, because anyhow it will drip, and then your thing will be coming, it will be coming light. So for that reason we are saying try to put dark colors, don't put light colors. So whatever it dripped, you can just take with brush and put them again back. Okay. So yeah, so wherever you can see the gaps, just take with the brush. So in this way your work will be a bit fast, and it will be easy also for you to work. If you want to color till the neck, it's okay. Otherwise, we can color only till the rim. I will leave the neck. I don't want to color in the neck. So because I'm going to put some colored water in this, so might be it will look nice if we put some colored water. Or if you don't want to put color water, you just want to light the tea light candles, you can color it fully as you wish. Okay, so this will take time for drying, so we will make it and keep it for drying so that it dries up nicely, and then only we have to work with the 3D outliner. So each and everything, you have the base coat has to be done very nicely, and you have to keep it for drying, and then only when the base coat dries up, you are supposed to work. So just while coloring with the glass colors, if you see any bubbles, just try to break them up. See how nice it is looking. So we have to wait for them to nicely dry up, and then we can do whatever work we like to do. So I'm just leaving the neck away. Rest all area I'm coloring, just leaving the neck. I'm not coloring the neck. So as I told you, if you want the wire colorful, you can put any acrylic color on the wire, or you can even roll strips of paper, any packing paper if you have. You can just put a little bit of fabric glue or Fevicol and roll the packing paper, cut strips and roll it on the wire. So that way also you can make your wire also colorful. And some people must be having this colorful wire, they can use a colorful wire. Okay. So if you want to share the video, you can share the video with your friends or on your profile, so they can also watch along with this time. Please share the videos. Some of you have the share option here. You can share the videos on your profile, or because many people we have not been able to accept their member. So if you want, you can share the video in different groups if you want. Please share that video in different groups. Nandini and all, Sweta and all, please share it. You can share it in Hobby Ideas. You can share it in South Indian Hobby Ideas group, or you can share in some group where you think you are a member and you have the thing to share. Please share. So this video because a lot of people have requested. So this video will be we'll try to make it available in this group till today evening. Okay, done. So we have to leave this for drying. It has to completely dry it up. Who is this? Sandeepa? Hi, thank you for joining, Sandeepa. You can share this video in different groups so that a lot of people have benefited with these tutorials. But then exclusive for this group, we are planning to keep the video so that you people are, those who are in this group, they are able to see the video and they are able to make it. Okay. So we have to keep this for drying. We have to keep this for drying. Okay, till here, any doubt anybody is having? Hello, Sandeepa. Thank you for joining. Yes, give me some likes, some hearts. Give me some likes. I hope all of you are enjoying the session. We'll go to the next thing. We'll go to the next one. Okay. See, you have to keep it nicely because the extra color will drip down. So, and let's do this smaller one with this blue color. Might be the leftover blue color I'll be using this small lantern. So little light, it will be 2-3 colors you can give. That is not a problem. Glass colors, they look little bit transparency is there, so they look nice. So if you want to use any color is all up to your choice. Jayanti is there. Jayanti, please share the video in Fevicryl Hobby Ideas. Please share the video in South Indian Hobby Ideas in different groups. Jayanti, please. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let this dry up. If any of you have any queries, please let me know, because in the meantime we can do it is drying up. Okay, so okay, let's have now. So this is drying up. Now let's go to the next one. I'm going to do this acrylic colors. So we will take another one. Which acrylic colors you all want? Red. Go for bright colors like red, lemon, dark yellow. So let me go for red. Yeah, red is here. This is steel blue red. I love this color. So this one we are going to do with teal blue. So same way. Wow. So color it with teal blue. You can paint with brush or sponge, whichever is comfortable for you. Okay. You can even put masking tape. I'll show you the technique in the long bottle. Masking tape, and you can paint with acrylic colors. That is not a problem. Okay, there is still so here we are. Okay. So this we have colored with teal blue. Okay. So people, they are still pouring it. No issues in that. We'll just tell you what we have done, so that people. Okay. Okay, so we'll just this one is here. We are going to put some masking tape here. This is another technique we are going to share with you. So just let's put some masking tape, and we are going to color with either you can color with glass colors, or you can color with what we say with your fabric colors. I think we have fabric color, different colors. If we put in fabric masking tape, just put random, because I prefer to put the masking tape random, so that whatever gaps I have, I'm going to put colors in the gaps. So we can put the masking tape random. Okay, this is a plastic bottle. We are doing the lamp in the plastic bottle. All of you remember, somebody has asked me something, and 3 others are watching. Okay, thank you all of you for joining. You can tell your friends, somebody post in the WhatsApp group where you that the session is started, so that more and more people can join and enjoy this session. Okay, so random put masking tape wherever you want, however you want. So that is the whichever way you want. Okay, so and the one which I wanted to tell you for baking purpose, after finishing this mask with the masking tape, I am going to show you the other one also. So you people can do, those who are having microwave or OTG, you can do that. That is basically the Moroccan glass lanterns. It is done like that, where you will be baking the product so that the colors what you are putting in the inside the lamp, it will become permanent. Even if you wash, it will not go away. These colors, if we wash hard with scrubber, it will go away. But then all these colors might go away. But the other one, what we are doing with Mod Podge, that has to be baked. And if you wash that one, it will not. It will be permanent. It will not go away. Okay. So here it is. So I have just put masking tape here. Can you have a look? And I'm going to put random color, whichever color I want. So that might be the colors of, I'll take yellow, orange. Okay, since it is festive season and ethnic, so let's go for yellow and orange. So I'm going to tap this with yellow and orange random inside the gaps. Okay, so जो भी gaps है, आप gaps के बीच में कलर्स डालिए, और कलर्स डालते समय अगर वो सेलो टेप पे आ गया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दिस इज इट लुक्स वेरी, you can put different color, but then I want to show you the technique, so I am not going for different color. I've just chosen 2 color. You can put in one block green, one block red. That also looks nice. So it's up to you. But I am not putting different colors because I don't want to spend the time in putting different colors. It will take more time for me to put different colors in different blocks. But you can do like that. It looks nice. Each block you can plan and put like 3 to 4 colors. You can take red, blue, and green. Some blocks you put red, some blocks you put green, and some blocks you put yellow. See that no 2 colors come together. Okay. कोई भी 2 रंग एक साथ नहीं आए, इस बात का ध्यान रखिएगा, क्योंकि टाइम 1 घंटे के टाइम में सब कोई भी प्रोडक्ट फिनिश करना आसान नहीं होता है. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट. सो अभी जैसे इसका कलर हमको चेंज करना है, आई एम गोइंग टू पुट लिटिल रेड हियर, सो दैट डाउन इट विल बी रेड, and then it will be orange, and as I go up it will be yellow. So I should get the gradation. Okay. So I will be getting the gradations here. Okay. So here it is red here, and then I'm going to put again the orange little bit more, and then I'll go up and do yellow. So tap also little bit on the red so that you get the gradation there. They don't look like the color merges. Okay. सो थोड़ा सा आप इस पे भी टैप करिए, जो रेड आपने डाला है उस पे भी टैप करिए, ताकि आपका कलर आपस में मिक्स हो, वो मर्ज हो, ठीक है। ओके, सो ये कलर वापस में मर्ज हो, तो इस बात का आप ध्यान रखिए। तो हम थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे रेड पे भी मिक्स करेंगे ताकि वो अच्छे से मर्ज हो, ठीक है। अभी क्या करना है, इसको आप ऑरेंज जो लिए हैं उसको ऑरेंज को दोबारा हमें लगाना है। अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द ऑरेंज सो दैट द ऑरेंज कम लिटिल मोर ब्राइट, ओके, एंड देन फाइनली आई विल डू द so you can plan and do. If you want horizontal, vertical stripes, you can put the thing horizontal, you can put it vertically, or I have just put random, मैंने just random डाला है masking tape। अगर आपको horizontal चाहिए तो आप horizontal डालिए, vertical चाहिए तो आप vertical चाहिए, ठीक है। अभी यहाँ तक तो हमारा काम हो गया है, अभी हमको येलो से काम करना है। So let me take another sponge and do with yellow. Sponge has become dirty, no issues in that। So I am going to put here yellow now, end up with yellow, and yellow भी आप थोड़ा थोड़ा सा मर्ज करिएगा। देखिए ये मर्ज हो रहा है ना, ऑरेंज के साथ अच्छा लग रहा है, तो यू हैव टू सी दैट द येलो मर्जेस विद द ऑरेंज, ओके। So this is basically what do you say, crush bottle, Malar company crush bottle, which I am using it. You can also use this is a plastic bottle. If you want to make something in the plastic bottle, please don't light water candles or tea light candles, wax candle. You can light inside the plastic bottle like this tunic lights. I have this tunic light here. I'm going to light that inside, okay. So this three is done, we'll keep it for drying. So we'll just keep them for drying, and here we will try to merge it more so that that orange is more visible. Try to merge each and every section, the color, so that it looks more nice and more attractive. And then we have this तो थोड़ा सा इसको भी इसमें मर्ज करना है, ठीक है, डन। We'll give this for drying, so you can have a look how ethnic it is looking with all the holy colors of red, yellow and orange. So we are going to make this ethnic lantern. So tea lights, whatever you say, tea light holder or lantern, whatever you can say, okay. So my cute little, so now we have to just clear all this area and get ready with the sticking of the stones and embellishments, whatever we want in our lantern, so that they look more cute. Okay, so this one I think since we applied with sponge, it has not yet cleared, so we might need one more coat for the smaller candle. So you can have a look here, this is still dry. Let it dry. This one I am going to put one more coat so that it looks little more bright. So the leftover, this is here. I am using the leftover ones. So and tap it once again so that it looks more bright. Okay. Abhi, what we are supposed to do now? I have some embellishments and some 3D outliners here. So let us close the colors. Hi Deepika, Mona, thank you for, hi Anita Manjula, thank you for joining. और कुछ भी डाउट हो आप लोगों को यहाँ पे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए। ये सेशन खत्म होने के बाद मैं आप लोगों को सब कोई का डाउट्स क्लियर करूँगी। प्लीज़ इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स Please write in the comment box. After this session, I will once again review, tell you all the things what we have done from starting till the end. So be tuned till the end. Okay. Now, this is done. We have this 3D outliner here, and I am going to have some stencil work. We'll do some stencil work. So this is gold metallic color, and we have some stencils here. Let us check some stencil, what stencils I am having. So in one I am going to do stencil work. Where are my stencils? Yeah, I got my stencils here. Okay, so these are stencils. You can create your own stencils if you are not having any of them. So there is no hard and fast rule for that. That's all up to you. So let's do some stencil work. So if you don't have stencil, you can do with 3D outliner. In one I'm going to put stencil, and the others we are going to put 3D outline. So I'm going to just put the stencil here. Let me see, it got stuck already. Paper is stuck in that. Oh, so let's go for some. Yeah, the stencil will use. No issues with that. Okay. So place the stencil properly. Still it is wet, I think so, but slightly gently will do, because we have to finish. All of you people don't do in a hurry. Let it dry, then only do the stencil work. Okay, because it is not dried, so we have to wait for some time till the things dry up. And gently you do, because we don't want the color to sweep and go inside. And take very little color. Don't take too many colors, too much of color. थोड़ा सा कलर लीजिए और हंसते हंसते हौले हौले बहुत जेंटली उसको डालिए. सो आप देख सकते हैं इस पे हो गया है. सेम हम लोग इस साइड भी करेंगे. सो आप स्टेंसिल से इसका डिजाइनिंग कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो टेक वेरी लिटिल कलर. And as we told you, design and let them dry up first, because if your things are not dried, it will not look nice. Let your base color dry up nicely. But today we want to show you, that's why we are working simultaneously. Okay. So आप देख सकते हो. तो इस तरह से आपको स्टेंसिल से आपको करना है. जैसे भी आपको however you like, you can do whichever way. You can create your own stencil. If you don't have stencil, you can do with freehand with 3D outliner. I am also going to show you that. Okay. So I was having this stencil. I have used the stencil. But try to use gold, copper, silver or metallic color for the stencil. It will look rich. It will give you a rich look to your lamp. So that's why the base coat was red, and I preferred here gold color, so that it will give a rich look to my lamp. Okay. And I'm going to show overall 4 to 5 different techniques, and I wish all of you to make one lamp and write your name on that and make a wish. This Diwali, let us make a wish for each other. So each and every lamp, you can make a lamp for your kids, for your husband or for your friends, and label it, write your friend name or your husband name, and whatever wish they want, with a wish you post in this group and also in the WhatsApp group. So I'll be, after finishing all my thing, I will post all the picture in this group and the WhatsApp group also. And on each lamp, please write your name and the wish which you want. Suppose you want, so it will be nice, like when we light the lamp, when we light the lamp, we make a wish, what we want. So you can make a wish for yourself, or you can make a wish for anybody, whoever whoever names you are lighting the lamp. So let's make a wish for each other, so that this festive season, let's make a lot of wishes for each other. Okay. So this is the 3D outliner. Now we have to do the 3D outliner work. Always it gets jammed. I didn't get my pin to poke. I need to get one pin. Just give me 2 minutes. My 3D outliner is not coming out smoothly. So whenever the 3D outliner doesn't come smooth, put a pin and poke it. so that it comes out smoothly. दिख रहा होगा वहाँ उस अकाउंट से खोल के देखो. Okay, here it is. Sometimes our 3D outliner they dry up, so don't worry about it. Use always sit always with a pin, clear the hole and then use it. Okay. So many times our 3D outliners they dry up. Okay. So here it is. Just clean them up. And just wait, we are going to show you light each and every candle in different way. How to light your tea light candle, how to prepare your water candles. We are going to show you a lot of techniques. So just be tuned. Okay. And yeah, here it is done. So this one I'm just going to put freehand some dots here. And I'm going to put some stones, small stones. I'm going to pick them up. So 1 minute. Very easy and beautiful ones we are going to do. So here it is. So yeah, 1 minute. So here just put 3D outliner. And if you want to take little glue and stick little bit glue, you have to put in your brush with or pencil, whichever you are sticking, so that the liner gets stuck to your thing, and then apply it gently, just like this. See, just little, not much. Then pick up the stone and press it. Did you see? So I am going to put some stones random in this, and the other one I am going to design with the small one I am going to design with 3D outliner directly. This I am going to do stone fixing. Okay. So आप random जो भी आपको जिसे जिस पोजीशन पे चाहिए, just put some 3D outliner. Okay. So we are going to put just 3D outliner random, and we are going to decorate it. You can decorate it in your way. If you are very good at putting mehndi, the 3D out you can do henna design in this. The 3D outliner looks very nice with the henna design. So, but it takes time. What you can do, we'll share one technique. Suppose you want to do henna design or any pattern on this. Take the design, put it inside the bottle, and from top first create the design, and then finally color the bottle from inside. So not from outside. This bottle I have colored from outside. So if you want to do the henna pattern, so there is a very easy technique. Take the henna pattern, put it inside the glass, and take the 3D outliner. The henna pattern will be visible, and you finish the designing with the 3D outliner. Yes, it is focused on the work. Can you see? It is going on. We didn't finish work. The color base coat of all the colors need to dry. Then only we can finish the work. So we are finishing this one. This lamp we are finishing first. Okay. Gayatri, Vanita, one by one we are finishing the article, and then we will light the lamp in different things. So just be tuned, because I had just put the this is already finished. This is already finished. Now we have to just light the lamp in this. So this is almost completed. Okay, we are completing this one. So we need all the base coat to dry, then only you can work on top of that. So don't be in a hurry to work. Thank you Vidya ji and thank you Pula Palava. Don't be in hurry work. The base coat when you give you, it has to be dried and then only you can work on that. Okay. So just put 3D outliner a little bit and just take the thing and place it. So you can also do, as I told you, you can also do henna work directly with the, I'll show you in the small bottle how to do that work. Okay, this is basically we are doing stone fixing work. I am just putting some stones and then 3D with the 3D outliner I am going to outline it and create some pattern. Okay. You can create your own pattern, whichever pattern you want. Okay, so here it is. Still more we are going to do swirls here. You can create swirls like this, random, wherever you want, free hand. How big and small, don't make them all of the same size. Try to make them big and small so they will look very natural and nice. Okay, this is gold 3D outliner. You can use any color whichever you want. So whichever color you want, just see the color combination, that in contrast it should look nice. Okay. Tomorrow we'll have we are going to have making of this dry food box. So please all of you get ready with any wooden box or plastic box where you can do the work. Your box can be in wood or it can be even the masala box, plastic what you get at home. You can even use what we say. Okay, so create random design like this. So I just created random design after sticking of the stones. So you can also create the random design. Okay, could you see? You see the bottle? Gayatri, it is clear to you? Okay, thank you Nandini. So we have finished this. One by one we can finish. So that's why we have to wait for the layers to dry up. And this also we have finished. This is stenciling method with fabric. On acrylic colors we have done stenciling. This is on glass colors. We have stuck kundan stones and we have done 3D outliner designing. Okay, 2 we have completed. Still we have to light them with different techniques. Okay, one more, this one. This one, as I told you, you can do directly henna design. I am going to put some henna design in this with the 3D outliner. So try to do some henna design because it looks nice. That mehdi pattern you can do, so it will your thing will look nice. Okay. So create some henna pattern however you want. I have created and you can fix up some small stones also. It's all up to you. Okay. So I just created 2 henna pattern, 2 opposite direction. I'll just create the pattern and some small stones I will stick. So whichever pattern you want, you can create with the 3D outliner, and whichever color you want, you can use. See that the color, contrast color you use, so that your outliner shows. You can even do with glitter 3D outliner, whichever outliner you have at home, you can use that. So there is no hard and fast rule for the color combination. The color combination should be always yours, whichever you want. Okay, I'll just finish this and I'll show you. I give you a closer view. Let me just finish this up because this bottle is very small. I'll just finish this. I'll fix the stone and everything and bring it close. I'll give you a closer view. So 1 minute. So done. I didn't stick any stones here. You can stick some stones also. Okay, so this is your mini lanterns which we have done. Okay, so let's go to the this one is already dried now. We'll just open and show you how the pattern will come. This is still 21. Okay, see, we are just opening all the tape what we have applied. Slowly you have to open the tape. So I just applied the tape random. As I told you, I just created a random pattern. I didn't want it to be very perfect. So you can do as your choice. You can put vertical tape, you can put horizontal tape, whatever you want. So it's all up to you, whichever tape you want. Okay. So done. Can you have a look? So this is what it is created. So that's why we left some space. So when we light the lamp inside, when we light this light, it will look very beautiful. Okay. And still if you want to, there is some more tape here. No. Still if you want to highlight this, you can put some stones or you can put some glitter or whatever you like. Okay. So create your own pattern, and this is a plastic bottle. It's a crush bottle. You are not supposed to light candle inside. You can light only like this type of unique lights. So I am just putting all the light inside, and I'll light almost all the lamps are ready, and I just teach you how to create your water candles, and then after that I'll light all the lamps for you and show you how does they look. Okay. So please fill the bottle with that unique light, and then we will on it for you. Okay, we'll create we are going to create water candles. For water candles you need water and little bit of oil, and you need one wick and a wick holder. So we are going to create our own wick holder. To create your own wick holder, 1 minute. I have already created one. I'll show you. Yeah, correct. This is your cap for your Bisleri bottle. What we buy Bisleri 25 liters. It is the cap for the Bisleri bottle. In this we are going to create your wig holder, and then we'll put the wig and we'll do it. So let me get a scissor so that I can create a wig holder for all of you. 1 minute. Teach you how to create your water candles. You can use tea light candles and other candles also. Sanjeev? Wait, let me get a scissor. Okay. You can even use bottle caps. Fevigrill Hobby Ideas bottle caps. You can make a hole here in the center and you can create your big holder. But these caps are little hard. What you can do, you can heat your the holder, the pakkad what you have in the kitchen, heat it in the heat and then slowly put it, the hole will be created. So it is very hard to do. So I am doing with this soft one today, but I am giving you the ideas. If you can use the bottle caps, and some bottle caps are very hard. So heat your kitchen appliance, that sarsi or pakkad what we say, heat it here and then just put it so the hole will be created. Okay. So, and this is your cap. As we told you, this cap I am going to create today. So cut the cap, the sides of the cap you cut nicely. Okay. And then make a hole in the center. Whichever shape you want, you cut. Usually round we will cut. Make a hole in the center. Okay. And cotton wig, yeah. You can put cotton wig or cotton thread. Whichever you want, you can put. This is a cotton thread, and even the wig you can put. The wig also we can put. So, push it nicely so that it comes up. Take some pointed thing and try to push the wig out through the hole and try to pull it from the other side. I have already created for you people. I'll show you. So this is created with cotton here. This is cotton here, and this is the same thing. I made a hole and I created a wig here. So, and then for the water candles, what you have to do? Yeah, we'll put the water candle in this jar. In this lantern, I'm going to put the water candle. So take water and put some fabric colors in the water if you want. Might be I will use little bit of blue color. I'm pouring little bit of blue color here. Okay. And I'm going to some water and I'm going to put some water in this. So we are basically creating water candles. All of you can have a look. Just take little fabric colors. Don't use food color because the fabric colors, it stays for a longer time. The food color, what happens, they go and settle down. But when we work with the fabric colors, the color will be always blue. Okay. So, and then put little oil. And then, as I told you, through the hole, pass your wig. I was having some cotton wig also. Cotton wig. नहीं, वहाँ पे wig है. वहाँ पे रुई का पत्ती दो ना. वहाँ जाओ right. So this is the cotton what most of us we have at home. So I'll just dip it into the little bit in the oil and then push it through the hole what we have created. So create the hole nicely, little big, so that it goes. Here it is. Okay. Now put it here in the oil. And this one we are going to, so this is one ready here, the other one, Sanjeev, can you give me your plate? Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. No. Yeah. So one by one we'll light and show you. So this is your with glass colors. And this one we have done here with acrylic colors. I'm going to light a lamp. My lamp is not going inside. Yeah, it's going. Thank God. Okay, light it and put it inside. This one also will light it. Okay, so this is your and one more will light this also for you. And the other one we have one more here, the okay, I'll bring it close to the camera and show you, all of you. This one, yeah, okay. Here you can just simply, we have just put here water and acrylic colors and created a bowl. You can also make it in a bowl, and you can color the bowl outside from any color, and you can design it, and you can make a water candle here also. So yesterday's water candle will put. So this one basically is very small, so we can put a tea light candle here. I'll put a tea light, floating tea light candle. It might float, I think. Let's see whether it floats or it goes down. Otherwise we have to put the water candle here. So use your fabric colors for coloring your water. Okay, so let me close and I'll show you each one of you. So how it is looking? How it is looking, all of you?